Assalamu alaikum. We need to continue our lesson in Unit 1. It's Cartesian product. We will continue today to know, we still in Unit 1, Lesson 1, C, Cartesian product. It's Part C. Okay, to continue. For example, let's revise. If X product Y equals order pair 1 and 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, then find A, X and Y, B, Y product X, C, Y2. Okay, we need to get set X. Now I give you the Cartesian product or give you the product, the answer, and I want to determine set X. Set X means the element belong to the first projection. Then 1, 1, 1 means that set X is 1, set of 1. Y, the second projection, 1, 3, and 5. Okay? When I determine X and Y, I can get B and Y. Okay, then set X is set of 1. Y is the second projection from the answer, set of 1, 3, 5. Now I can get Y product X, then I'm going to get 1 and 1, 3 and 1, 5 and 1. Okay, Y2 means 1, 2, 3, power 2 equals 9. Okay, it's just a small drill to revise what we said before. Okay, guys. Now, if number x3, number the element inside x, 3 elements. Number x product y, 12. Yeah, how many element inside y? So I have 3 elements inside x. And the result is 12. So how many elements inside y? It's the translation for my question. Okay? Of course, 12 divided 3. Okay? Okay. Now, if order pair 3 and 5 belong to set 3 and 6 product set x and 8, then x equal. From where did I get x? From the answer. The order pair here is the answer or one of answers of product, the 2 sets you have, okay? If you find a number here, if you find an element here, so the different element here equals the variable. So x equals, yes, excellent, 5. Okay. Now, my answer for the first is 4 and my answer for the second is 5. Okay. X equals set of 1, Y equals 2 and 3, Z equals 2, 5, 6. Now, I'll start to help you to understand or to remember what we studied before in primary 5. It's about the operation of sets, the operations of sets. Okay, let's revise what's the operation of sets. Okay, when I ask you to get union between 2 sets, intersect between 2 sets, or difference between 2 sets. Then we need now to remember the operations of sets. So what is the meaning of union? If I said I want to get union between sets, it means I need to get all the elements inside the set between braces. Okay, then if I ask you about union, means collect all the elements without repetition. Okay, so if I ask you to get intersect, okay, intersect means the common element only, between the sets. Okay, but if I ask you to get difference between 2 sets, means I ask you to get what I can find in the first set and I can't find in the second. What I can find just in the first set and it's not found in the second set. Okay, let's revise it by use this problem. For example, I give you x equals 1, y equals set of 2 and 3, z equals 2, 5, 6. And don't forget, this year we deal or we play or we solve using sets. Okay, the Cartesian product means an operation of product for sets. Okay, then my answer usually عبارة عن order pairs خلاص. يعني our lessons أو our units in this year in third primary كلها بتتكلم عن order pairs. Okay, represent the order pairs. ماشي؟ طيب I need to represent the sets of x, y, z with Venn diagram. فاكر ال Venn diagram? Yes, Venn diagram. I represent the set on a circles. Okay. Then, firstly, I need to represent my sets. ماشي. After that, I will get x product y product z, x product z, x product y union y product z. Okay. Firstly, I will represent like this. Okay, I represent my set x 1. So x, I don't have a common, I don't have anything, just 1. Set x have 1 element. Okay, what about y? I will draw y I have 2 and 3. Okay, what about z? Yes, z have 2, 5, 6. So it's not allowed to repeat an element. If you have a common element, it means the element here, I can find the element in 3 and z at the same time. Okay, so it's a common element. Okay, now I need x product y, x product y. So I have just one element on x. Then I'm going to take 1 with 2 and 1 with 3. Okay, what about b, y and z? 2 elements, then 2 with 2, 2 with 5, 2 with 6. I finished the first. 3 with 2, 3 with 5, 3 with 6. Now I finished. Okay, x product z, x product z. 1 and 2, 1 and 5, 1 and 6. Okay, what about d? What about d? Already I have the answer of x product y. And I have the answer of y product z. Then I'm going to write the two answers. What's the meaning of this sign? Union means all the elements. I will write all the elements without repetition. Okay? Then now the answer x product y product z, x product z, and the last one d is all the elements. Okay? Okay. Now x 3 and 4, y 4 and 5, z 6 and 5. Okay? And I want to find a set of x product y intersect z. This sign means intersect. So what's the intersect? The common element. The intersect, the common element. Okay? Okay, B, x difference y. What's the meaning of difference between two samples? Mean what you can find in the first set. In the first set. حاجة موجودة بس في الفيرست set مش موجودة في السكند. Okay? What I can find in x, it's not found in y. Okay? And the same here. And the vice versa. What I can find in y and I can find in z. What I can find in the first and مش موجود في السكند. Okay? طيب, to solve this type or this kind from question, I need to determine first y intersect z, x difference y, y difference z. Then, firstly, we need to determine the operation, okay? So, organize your mind to know how to solve. Firstly, we need to determine the operation, okay? After that, I will substitute to solve. ماشي? Then, here, y intersect z, it's the meaning of common, it's y and it's z. What's the common? Yes, it's 5. Is it allowed to write 5? No, it's set 5. Okay? طيب, x difference y, x difference y. What you can find in x and you can't find in y? Yes, 3. Then set of 3. Y difference z. What you can find in y and you can't find in z4. Okay, now I solve the operation, I get the operation. Okay, now I can solve my problem. I ask about x product y intersect z. Y intersect z, it means set of 5. Then I'm going to say, what about x? X is 3, set of 3 on 4. What about y intersect z? 5. Then I'm going to get the answer 3 and 5, 4 and 5. Okay, so it's easy to solve. When you organize your mind, when you organize your working, you will find the answers so easy. Okay? Okay, B, x difference y, and I get x difference y, set of 3. I will substitute, multiply by z. What about z? 6 and 5. Then 3 and 6, 3 and 5. Okay, C, x difference y, x difference y, set of 3, y different z, y different z, set of 4. Okay, 3 product 4 equals set of 1 order pair 3 and 4. Okay, so it's very, very, very important, primary prep 3, to organize your working, Okay. Okay. The Cartesian product of the infinite sets and its graphical representation. First, to represent the Cartesian product and product n. What about n? Can you remind me what's the n? Excellent. N is the natural number. Okay, so what's the natural number? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Positive numbers only and set of 0. Okay, then if I want to represent n, okay, on the graph. Second, to represent the Cartesian product of z product z. What about z? Yes, z is now I have the positive number and the negative number and set of 0. But in and z, we talk about the whole numbers, the integer numbers. Okay? Okay. Okay, here, who can tell me this graph represent which one? N product N or Z product Z? Why is it N product N, Z product Z? Because I have two axes. The first x-axis represents the positive, negative, and 0. Okay, what about the second x, y? Represent another z, positive, negative, and 0, right? When I'm going to represent any point in the graph, it means I'm going to represent in z product z. Yes? Okay, according to the type of the numbers. If I'm talking about positive direction only, if I represent my numbers in positive directions only, of course with set of 0, it means I represent my points on n product n. Okay, so here it's the meaning. Now here I represent excellent. I using just the positive direction with 0. Okay, then here I represent or I use n product n. When you use the whole numbers in the graph, okay, positive and negative, but whole only and 0, it means I use Z product Z. Okay? Okay. طب this year in Prep 3, which one I'm going to use? N or Z? Yes. No, I'm not going to deal with just the whole numbers. I will deal with the whole numbers, fraction, decimal, square root, and so on. So in this year, we will deal with R product R. So I'm going to have any type of numbers to represent on the graph. ماشي؟ Okay. To represent the Cartesian product of Q time Q, so I have an order pair, X belong to Q, Y belong to Q. To represent the Cartesian product of R product R equals X and Y, such that X belong to R, Y belong to R. ماشي? Okay. Now in third prep we use the order pairs, okay, Cartesian product on R product R, okay. طيب, look at the Cartesian here. What you notice? For example, if I have the two axes divides my plan into four quadrants, okay. We start to count the quadrants from this direction. So this direction or this quad is the first quadrant, and any order pair you will find it here, you will find it is order pair A and B, order pair A and B, or the first projection is positive number, the second projection is positive number. So any order pair has the two positive projections located in which quadrant? In the first quadrant. Okay? وانا مغمض. Any order pair has two positive projections means the order pair in the first quadrant. Okay? What about the second quadrant? In the second quadrant, we will find order pair, but in negative direction from x-axis. So here I have negative A and B, negative A and B. So any order pair consists of negative A and B in this form, negative for the first projection, positive for the second projection, means the order pair located in the second quadrant. Okay? What about the third quadrant? Okay, for example here, I'm in the negative direction from x-axis and negative direction from y-axis. So the order pair here must be in the form of negative A and negative B. So here, any order pair has the two projections are negative, it means the order pair located in the third quadrant. Okay? Okay, what about here, the fourth quadrant? Okay, what do you notice? Negative from y-axis, positive from x-axis. So what's the form of this order pair? A and negative B. A and negative B. So any order pair has the form A positive, a direction, positive for the first projection, negative for the second projection, A and negative B means this order pair located in the fourth direction. Okay? Okay. Now we have this question. Draw a perpendicular square net of the Cartesian product R, then tell the quadrant or the axis where each of the following points is located. I'm going to draw or represent my point in the graph, and after that I will determine the position of each point in which quadrant. Okay? So firstly, it's my graph paper. A point 3 and 3. Yes, here. B 3 and negative 2, negative 4 and negative 2, negative 4 and 3, 0 and negative 3, 2 and 0. Okay? Okay, now we need to determine each quadrant for each point. Okay? Then, A, yes, excellent. A, it's in the form of, look at the order pair, 3 and 3. So, it's order pair A and B, 2 positive projection. Then, A, first quadrant. Okay? A in the first quadrant. Okay, what about B? Okay, look at the order pair, 3 and negative 2. So it means 3 on the x-axis in the positive direction, negative 2 on y. 3 and negative 2. So now in the fourth direction, quadrant. C, negative 4 and negative 2, for it's so easy in the third quadrant. The two projections are negative. D, oh, x is negative, y positive. X is negative, okay, x negative, y positive, okay. Then the second quadrant, excellent, okay. Oh, what about E? E, E in negative direction from y, but I don't have x. So E on y-axis. E on y-axis. Okay? And F the same but vice versa. So F on x-axis. Okay? It's so easy, guys. And you will solve it alone. So easy. Okay, now you will choose with yourself to know if you understand or not. Okay? Choose. Stop the video, please, and start to solve. Choose. If the point 5 and B negative 7 is located on the x-axis, what do you note when we located on the x-axis? Yes, excellent. We don't have y. We don't have a value on y. Okay? Then, if you have the point located on x-axis, means y equals 0. On x-axis means y equals 0. On y-axis means x equals 0. On y-axis means x equals 0. Here, I am going to substitute and get the value of b. Okay? If the point x negative 4 to negative x, where x belong to z, x belong to z. What's the meaning of belong to z? Integer number, positive or negative. Is located in the third quadrant. What's the form of the third quadrant? Remember, what's the form of the third quadrant? Yes, excellent. Both projections are negative. Okay, then you are going to choose the number. Which number of this will keep the order pair? The two projections are negative. Number 5, the point 5 and negative 7 is located on. 5 means positive x, negative y. Now stop the video and start to choose with yourself. I will explain all the idea, and after that check your answer. Thank you for concentration, guys, and see you later.